Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, it is a kind of a very wet, damp, cool day here in the bluegrass, but it's not going to stop us from cooking outside today. Might have to be over by the garage so we can keep everything dry, but we're going to get this done, guys. Got some chicken. We're going to do some kettle fried chicken. We're going to bread up some thighs, some legs, and use our Vortex again and get out there and do a not as high temperature cook, but a good Vortex cook on that and see if we can bread up and fry up some good chicken. Let's get going, guys. Okay, we're gonna get started by seasoning these legs up here and these thighs here with some grill mates, roasted garlic and herb. This is new to me, guys, and I've really been enjoying using it. It's really good on chicken. I'll season this entire thing up. And guys, things a flip. You know I love my thighs. I like the chicken leg once in a while too. Alright guys, we're going to take these thighs and the legs and we're just going to place them in this gallon Ziploc bag. I think you know what's coming next. Yeah, we're going to be just fine. Guys, just going to dump in, this is just buttermilk, guys. We're gonna let this marinate in here and suck in all that deliciousness for a few hours. Hey guys, 3 hours. It's going in the fridge for, we're gonna try for 3 hours till dinner time, then we're gonna get ready to get it outside on the grill. Well, the wind's gonna be an issue tonight. Alright, we just got some Italian breadcrumbs right here. And I'm going to add some baking powder to that. For a little flavor. I just got some of this Uncle Steve's shake and some Gator shake. Add a little flavor to the breading. About all we're going to do there. I don't want it really spicy. Just looking for a little flavor is all we're doing. Get this mixed up. Maybe a little bit more Gator shake. Try to keep my hands a little dry. Alright guys, I'm gonna come in here, shake some of this buttermilk off of here. Tell by the color, there's some good flavor in there. Just gonna bread this guy's right on up. Shake off our excess. Let this chill out right there. Guys, I'll do the rest of them when I get back to you. Alright. Marvelous. As soon as that fire comes up, we'll get this on. Alright, starting to get a little ashed over. Sit here about center. Regulate this thing down a little bit. I know this is the Vortex cook, but I'm actually want the Vortex cooking method, but I want to keep my temperatures probably down and lower than 400 degrees. 370 to 400. Just for sticking issues, I'm gonna spray these grates a little bit. Carefully. See if we can't get this thing going. Put these on. Not real sure how this is gonna go. And for just a little smoke, I'm doing 1 piece of apple wood right there. I'll check back in a little while. As you can see, it's gotten dark on me. I just want to check some temps. We're roughly 20 minutes in. We're actually not doing bad. 140 there on the leg. 145. So yeah, okay. We're doing better than I thought. I'm actually going to spray these just to get these to crisp up a little bit. We'll do that here in just a second. 150. Looking good, guys. Notice it got dark on me. I had to break out some lighting. But yeah, we are definitely on track. Right, I'm gonna hit these with just a little bit of oil. Not a lot. It's gonna help that skin crisp up. Yes, we wanna check this out, guys. I wanna check some, wanna see this? Oh, they're getting crisping up really good. Really good, guys. No sticking. I'm loving what I see, folks. I'm gonna check some temperatures. We're roughly about 40 minutes into this, and I'm betting we're very close to done. Yeah, we got a little bit more to go, but we're about 163, but we're looking great. I'm loving what I see. Yeah, a little bit longer, but we're very close. I want to get these at least to 175. Would you look at that? All right, folks, we're about an hour into this. This cold weather has, yeah, oop, turn it on, buddy. This cold weather has kicked our butts. And I don't like the end of daylight savings time, so 175, 178, 180. Yeah, we're kicking. Look at that, guys. I don't know if it's the lighting. I got the lights set up out here. Hopefully you can see it. Guys, I'm pulling this. Let me go inside and feed my family because it's gone a little bit longer than I anticipated, and I'll get back to you for a taste test. All right, folks. Yeah, sorry about the lighting, guys. I don't know how it looks here. Got late on me. Took a little bit longer than anticipated, but everything's okay. Very crispy chicken. Can't wait to take a bite of this. Let's get going, guys. Come on. Wow, that is still juicy, guys. Wow, yeah, that is good. The seasoning in the breading, definitely got a little bit of that heat from the Uncle Steve's shake in the breading there. Great. Wow, guys, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, the daylight savings time has definitely ended. And if you've been following me, I'm not a fan of ending the daylight savings time. So it is what it is, guys. We'll bring you what you can. We'll bring you the rest inside. It's all good. Thank you so much, guys. Stay with us, guys. We got more to come. Holidays are coming in, and I can't wait to celebrate some of that with you. And guys, till next time, we'll see you on the next cook. God bless you, guys. Bye-bye.